Welcome back, viewers. My name is Christian Obodo. In this video, we are going to focus on Indical equation. This is a requested video from one of my subscribers. If that is what you are interested to learn, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Indical equation. Example 1. Solve x raised to power 1 over 2 is equals to 2. This is an equation. X raised to power 1 over 2 is equals to 2. I repeated the same question. So we have to make x to be alone. And by so doing, we multiply the power, which is 1 over 2, by 2 over 1. Do the same thing to the right hand side, and when we did that, x now is alone. So when we cancel the powers, 1 over 2 times 2 over 1, we cancel each other. So then x is equals to 2 raised to power 2, and 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4. That is our final answer. Example 2. Example 2 says solve a raised to power minus 1 is equals to 2. This is also another equation. This negative power rule in indices, remember? So to do that, I'm rewriting the question. So to remove the negative, we'll say 1 over a equals to 2. And since this is in fraction form, so I have to make the other one to be in fraction, so that I can easily cross multiply. And that is what I did there. So when I cross multiply, 1 times 1 will give you 1, and 2 times a will give you 2a. So 1 equals to 2a. And since we are solving for a, you divide both sides by 2. So then the 2 will cancel the 2, then 1 over 2 equals to a. Therefore, a is equals to 1 over 2. Example 3. We are asked to solve 2x raised to power 3 equals to 54. So I'm rewriting the question. 2x raised to power 3 equals to 54. So the first thing is to divide both sides by 2. Remember, we are solving for x. So when we did that, that will give us x raised to power 3 equals to 27. So then we have to find the cube root of both sides. And we are doing that so that x can be alone. So x raised to power 3 equals to 27. Then when we find the cube root of both sides, then the cube root cancel the x raised to power 3. X equals to 3. The next example, solve 2r raised to power minus 3 equals to minus 16. So I'm rewriting the question. 2r raised to power minus 3 equals to minus 16. So the first thing is to divide both sides by 2. And that gave us r raised to power minus 3 equals to minus 8. And r raised to power minus 3, remember we are solving for r. So we need to eliminate that 3, and we need to multiply both powers by 1 over 3. That is what we did there. So when we cancel, we got r raised to power minus 1 equals to minus 8 raised to power 1 over 3. So that is negative power rule. That's why we wrote 1 over r equals to minus cube root of 8. That's what you can see there. Then cube root of 8 is equals to minus 2. Since this is in fraction form, I have to make the other one to be in fraction so that we can easily cross multiply. When we did that, we got 1 equals to minus 2r. And since we are solving for r, we need to divide both sides by minus 2. So 1 over minus 2 equals to r. Therefore, r is equals to minus 1 over 2. That is our answer. Let's see the next example. 5x equals to 40x raised to power minus 1 over 2. So we need to divide both sides by 5. That is what I did first. And when we did that, our answer is equals to x equals to 8x raised to power minus 1 over 2. So x is equals to 8 times x raised to power minus 1 over 2. I repeated the same thing. So that is negative power rule. So we have 1 over x raised to power 1 over 2. So then over 1, so that we can easily multiply. So when we did that, it gave us x equals to 8 over x raised to power 1 over 2. And we have to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we got our answer, as you can see on the board. Remember, multiplication is equals to plus. So the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, that will give us 3 over 2 when we simplify. And since we are solving for x, we need to eliminate that power by multiplying it by 2 over 3. We equally did the same thing to the right hand side. And after cancellation, x equals to cube root of 8. Don't forget your raised to power 2. Then x is equals to 2 raised to power 2, because cube root of 8 is equals to 2, and 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4. That's our final answer. The next example, 5 raised to power x equals to 25. So 25 will give us 5 raised to power 2. And since we have the same base, we cancel both base, and that gave us our answer. X equals to 2. The next one is similar to the one we just did. So 9 raised to power x equals to 27. So we have to split it. 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 9. Don't forget your x. Then 3 raised to power 3 equals to 27. So we cancel the base since they are the same. 3 we cancel 3. So 2x equals to 3. So since we are solving for x, you divide both sides by 2. Now x equals to 3 over 2. That is our final answer. The next example, we are given 4 raised to power c minus 1 equals to 64. So we have to what? Find 4 raised to power what will give us 64, and that is 3. Then we cancel both base. C minus 1 equals to 3. We call it like terms. C equals to 3. Then when the other one moves to the other side, becomes positive. So 3 plus 1 will give you 4. Thank you for watching.